Hello, dear students. You have heard many stories during your previous educational years. Can you memorize it? Let me help you. You have heard the story of rabbit and tortoise. You have the heard of story of monkey and crocodile. Friends, these all the stories are from Panchtantra. And the end of the story, there is a message which is helpful to the human being. In our syllabus, there is a story of same kind. I hope you will enjoy it. So let's start our new lesson. Akashah patati. The sky is falling. एकं वनम् अस्ति तत्र शशकः निवसति शशकः शयनं करोति There is a forest. A rabbit lives there. The rabbit is sleeping. Now we will find out meaning of some difficult words. So let's see. Akashah means the sky. Patati falls. Vanam forest. Asti is. Tatra there. Shashakah a rabbit. Nivasati lives. Shayanam karoti sleeps. Now Now we see the second paragraph. Parnapatati. Shashakah Pita Bhavati. A leaf falls. The rabbit is frightened. Difficult word. Parna means a leaf. Pitah Bhavati is frightened. Shashakah Dhavati. Shrugalah Agachati. The rabbit starts running. A fox comes there. Difficult word. Dhavati runs. Shrugala fox. Agachati comes. शशकः वदति शृगालप्रातः धावतु आकाशः पतति शशकः धावति शृगालः अनुधावति The rabbit says, Brother Fox, run! The sky is falling. Then rabbit runs. The fox is running behind the rabbit. Difficult word. Vadati means says. Shrugala Pratah, brother fox. Anudhavati runs behind. वानरः आगच्छति शशकः वदति वानरप्रातः धावतु आकाशः पतति A monkey comes there. The rabbit says, Brother monkey, run, the sky is falling. Now we will see some difficult words. Vanarah, a monkey. Vanarapratah, brother monkey. पितः शशकः धावति शृगालः अनुधावति वानरः अपि अनुधावति The frightened rabbit runs. The fox is running behind. The monkey is also running behind the rabbit. Difficult word. Pitah shashakah. The frightened rabbit. Anudhavati is running behind. Api means also. सिंहः आगच्छति. Siha vadati. Kimartha dhavati? Means a lion comes there. The lion asks, why are you running? Shashakah vadati. Siha pratah dhavatu. Akashah patati. Siha vadati. Akashah patati va? Kutra patati? The rabbit replied, Brother lion, run. The sky is falling. The lion asked, is the sky falling? Where is it falling? Difficult word. Siha bhratah. Brother lion. Patativa. Is it falling? Kutra means where. Kimartha. Why? Shashakah gacchati. Siha apisah gacchati. The rabbit is going there. The lion also going with rabbit. Shashakah वृक्ष समीपम आगच्छति. सिंह वदति, कुत्र पतति आकाशः? शशकः किमपि न वदति. सिंह हसति. Means the rabbit is coming near the tree. The lion asks, where is the sky falling? The rabbit does not say anything. The lion laughs. Shashakah palayanam karoti. The rabbit running away. Now, dear student, we will see the video of this lesson.
एकं वनम् अस्ति.
There is a forest.
तत्र शशकः निवसति.
A rabbit lives there.
शशकः शयनं करोति.
The rabbit is sleeping.
पर्णं पतति.
A leaf falls.
शशकः भीतः भवति.
The rabbit is frightened.
शशकः धावति.
The rabbit runs.
शृगालः आगच्छति.
A fox comes there.
शृगालभ्रातः धावतु.
The rabbit say, "Oh brother fox, run.
आकाशः पतति.
The sky is falling."
शशकः धावति.
The rabbit runs.
शृगालः अनुधावति.
The fox is running behind the rabbit.
वानरः आगच्छति.
A monkey is coming there.
वानरभ्रातः धावतु.
The rabbit say, "Oh brother, monkey, run.
आकाशः पतति.
The sky is falling."
भीतः शशकः धावति.
The frightened rabbit runs.
शृगालः अनुधावति.
The fox is running behind.
वानरः अपि अनुधावति.
The monkey also is running behind it.
सिंहः आगच्छति.
A lion is coming there.
किमर्थं धावति?
The lion say, "Why are you running?"
सिंहभ्रातः धावतु. आकाशः पतति.
The rabbit say, "Oh brother lion, run. The sky is falling."
आकाशः पतति वा?
The lion say, "Is the sky falling?
कुत्र पतति?
Where is it falling?"
शशकः गच्छति.
The rabbit is going.
सिंहः
The
अनुगच्छति.
lion is following it.
शशकः वृक्षसमीपम्
The
आगच्छति.
rabbit is coming near the tree.
कुत्र पतति
The lion
आकाशः?
say, "Where is the sky falling?"
शशकः किम् अपि न वदति.
The rabbit does not say anything.
सिंहः हसति
The lion laughed.
शशकः पलायनं करोति
The rabbit is running away.
Dear student, I hope you understood this lesson very well. Dhanyavad.